In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change, edit, and personalize text on your Shopify checkout page. Customizing your checkout page can provide a better experience for your customers, reflect your brand more accurately, and potentially increase your conversion rates. Let's dive into the steps to make these changes. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin area. Start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard by going to your store's homepage. Ensure you're logged into your Shopify account so you have access to make changes. Once you're on the main menu of your Shopify store, look for the section labeled Online Store on the left-hand side. Clicking on Online Store will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a variety of options. This is where you can customize different aspects of your store, including the themes, blog posts, and pages. But today our focus will be purely on themes. Next, within the Themes section, you'll notice three small dots usually located near each of your themes. These dots typically indicate that there are more options available. Clicking on them will bring up a list of additional actions you can take with your themes. From this dropdown, you'll want to select Edit Default Theme Content. This is where all the textual content on your store's front end, including the checkout page, can be customized. It's a powerful tool for making sure the language used throughout your customer's shopping experience aligns with your brand voice. Now, to make specific edits to your checkout page, you'll need to find the section related to it. A quick way to do this is by using the search functionality. Locate the search icon within this editor's panel. This icon will help you find all text entries related to a specific term. Once you've clicked on the search icon, type in shipping. By searching for shipping, we're honing in on those elements that are prominently displayed during the checkout process. This includes confirmations or minor tweaks you might want to make, like customization of shipping-related messages to better guide your customers through their purchase journey. After typing in shipping, you'll see a list of all the text fields related to shipping appear. From this list, direct your attention to a document or section labeled Checkout General. Clicking here allows you to view and edit general messaging on your checkout page. Here you can make the necessary modifications that will be visible to your customers during checkout, ensuring it matches exactly how you want the information to appear. Once you've made your desired changes, don't forget to save them. You will typically find a Save button somewhere on the editor's page, usually at the bottom or the top right corner. Saving your progress will ensure your adjustments are live and reflect on your checkout page immediately. And that wraps up the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change, edit, and personalize the text on your Shopify checkout page. Doing so will help in providing your customers with a more seamless and personalized shopping experience. Happy selling!